broken and you broke it. These things are no longer tight. I can't tighten them anymore. They are loose. And every time I have to record if this thing is not charged, the light is not working. Like now, I didn't charge this battery. And it's not going to last. So I need to have this two also being on the charger. So that's what I hate about this light. Yes, I'm going to buy a new light. A new light. A new light. My thing is, especially my makeup, even at night, whenever I want, I just work. This one, the other problem is that at night, the light is not giving what I want. So, I need a new light. A new light, hubby.
Consider it done.
Please. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's not my YouTube channel, it's our YouTube channel. So today I'm having a little unboxing of my skin care things, and another one, it's a light. So I'm going to show you the things that I bought to start my business. So now I'm going to start with my doctor's pen. This one, you use it when you are doing micro needling, if you've ever heard about micro needling. So now I'm going to show you how the pen look like. So this one, it's a serum. They come together with that. It's a serum that you use 310 what Botox. So, and it's here. We have, okay, this is our needles. If you can see them, these are our needles. In there are many but different things. But my main thing is this one. This one. Yeah. Wow. Okay. Okay. All right. This is our pen. This is the pen that we are going to use. If you can see it. And it's so nice. Wow. That's nice. You can touch it if you see. it has its own batteries. So what do I close now? Okay, there we go. Where does this one go? Okay, this one it also comes here if I'm not wrong. It's the same thing. I think this one is the same thing. It's either you use its own batteries or you can also charge. These are the chargers for it. Okay, you can do your charger here. This is where you do your charger. The charger is now in. We use it to nail a person. So that's how I'm just gonna say it's saying needling a person. We have these needles here that I don't wanna open it because we are not going to use it now. You put it here, and then after putting it here, there are some numbers on this blue line here. There are some numbers that you're supposed to use, which number you want, and then you keep on needling on the person. You can do it once in a month, but mostly you do it after 6 to 8 weeks. So if you have acne or you have pigmentation, you can use it. So like I said, I'm not going to open these things. I think one day I will have a separate video about this, doing this on its own, so that you can understand what I'm trying to say. As for now that I'm just talking, I know some are not going to understand, some they will understand what I'm trying to say. So now we pass to another one that we have. So now we have our little microdermabrasion. This is also part of facial. You do it for facial. Microdermabrasion, it's good for, let me say, it's good to give your skin glow. It's also, it's just like, what do you call it, just like the one that I have shown, micro needling, but the difference is that this one is not using the needles. It doesn't use needles, this one. So inside this box, this one, you have to plug it whenever you're using it. It must always be on the plug. When there is load shedding, unfortunately you can't use it. So the main thing that's this one is the main thing that you can use. So this one, how it works is that you can see this is what you get inside. So this is what you got. This is what you got. This is the full set. If I remember well, this machine, I can't remember whether it was 2000, not 2000, 6.
You must put it more.
So these are the pads that I'm talking about. They're so small, very, very, very small. And inside that package, this is what you get. It's small. I don't know if you can see it. So this is, you put it. Oops. I just want to show you how you put this. Yeah, here it is, and then you close with this, right? It's done. So when it's like this, then let me remove this box here, because it's not gonna show you. Then now you want to start working with your client. This is where you're going to plug it. This is how it looks like. So the button, let me close this because the price reflecting. Here is the button. The button where you start, and then you start. You don't just rough. You do nicely on someone's skin. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and you keep on doing like that until you are finished and your skin is well done. So I'm happy to have these things. I'm so happy to have these things. And now I have this girl, this one. This one is the light. We're having a new light. So it was, I think I got it on Takealogs. I just hope the quality is good, like the way they were saying. You know, you have to, before you buy or take a lot, try to read the, what you call it, to read prescription or description or review, because I have learned that hard way. You find that buying something will take a lot, and then I found that it's so small that I don't get it why. It's what's happening, and I cry for my money. So this is our 2 lights. They come 2. Hey, this is our lights. Ooh. Wow. This is our lights, ne? Here comes the content. Even at night when I wake up, ne? I can do the content for my makeup. The main reason I bought this is because I want to do makeup whenever I want. Okay? this is what is inside the box. This is our last. Let's see what I want here. Let's see what I get it. Okay. What's this? Okay. So they look like, I think we will show you when it's now connected, because it's not now. I don't know how it works. I don't know how it works. Okay, I think these are the yeah, it is there. Why do I feel like it's the same as the other one that I was having? Yeah, the quality here, it's the quality of this thing. Now it's, I don't know how to say it. I can't even say it's a middle class. It's the same as the one of the smaller lights that we buy everywhere, that you get everywhere in the shop. That's how it is. But anyway, I'm not crying for the money that I have used. Thank you, hubby, for listening to me. Okay guys, I think this is all our lights that we have. Now we are going to, I'm going to show you, it goes inside. I think it goes inside. It's something that light the whole thing. That will just trigger very nice so that I'm going to set it so now I have this little Manchi mirror. I bought it at home. It was 400 rand. So I have been using it, so don't bother. I just bought it now. So this is all that I have, and the quality is quality. Yeah, you have where you can put your things whenever you're using, and it's very nice. So now I'm gonna show you. You know guys, I'm a doctor, né? So doctors always have the bed where the patient have to sleep. So this one is patient's bed. If we are a sick person, come, I'm having a bed for you. It's so heavy, no? This one, I also bought it on Takealot. It was, I think the normal price, it's 6,000 something, 6,500 or 6,002, I can't remember. But I bought it with 3.5 5, I remember. So 3.5, if I still remember well that how much it was. So I'm not, because it's a lot, it's heavy. I'm not going to take it out or stretch it now. I just want to, and that's it. It's so heavy. So now, okay, this is what you can do with your bed today. You open it this side, okay, and this is how it looks. It comes with all these things here that you can see. This is, I think it's aluminium. It's so heavy. I bought aluminium because you find that you get different type of people. Others are heavy, others they're just in the middle, others they're just like me. So I prefer a bed that I'm gonna use it a little bit longer, but it's not gonna get broken. So there are many types of this. I don't like the wood one, because the wood one, it can broke anytime. So whenever you are buying, try to check something that is going to last you for longer, especially when you are starting your business just like me. So you must try to buy quality things that are going to what do you say, the customers are how to come back again. So try to make sure that you always buy quality, because that is going to benefit you. God, that it also came with this sheet, the sheets. You can see they're already open. Yeah, they are disposable sheets. Whenever a client comes in, you change, you put another one. Try to have a little bit of hygiene. So this is what I'm going to, what you will use on your bed. You put this, and another customer come in. When the customer come in, you change your sheets. And I think this is, I can't remember how much they were, this, but 600 the prices. So it depends how many you want. So I went for 600 rands. So that's it. That's all I have. And another thing that I like about this bed, I can travel wherever I want. If you have a client that doesn't want to come to you, or you have a house call person, you just carry your bed and go with it inside your bag. You put it at the back of your car, and you go and do your job. Everywhere you go with your bed, and it's very comfortable. Your clients can end up sleeping while you are still working. So that's it for today. Okay, it looks like this girl, she has many things. So this ones, we'll talk about them on another day. They are not that important for now. So now I think that's all that we have for today. and I think we are going to test our light. How am I going to test this light? I'm going to do the video of makeup now, and I'm going to upload it maybe today late or tomorrow morning, so that you can see if the lights, the quality is okay or it's something else. But if you like this video, or you have watched the video until this point, please like it, share, and also subscribe to the video, and mostly like the video. Please like the video more than anything. Even if you can like the video before you can watch it, it's fine. So bye. See you on another video.